If your external monitor shows a black screen when connected through a Lenovo docking station, the issue is usually related to drivers, cables, or display settings. Docks such as the Lenovo ThinkPad USB-C Dock Gen 2 send video signals through DisplayPort or USB-C connections, but the laptop must recognize the dock and support video output through that port. If the graphics drivers are outdated, the cable cannot handle high resolution, or the system settings are incorrect, the monitor may display no signal. Fortunately, most display problems can be fixed with a few simple checks. Step 1. Make sure the DisplayPort cable is firmly connected to both the dock and the monitor. Step 2. Update your laptop's graphics drivers through Device Manager or the manufacturer's site. Step 3. Open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to find the external monitor. Step 4. Set the correct resolution and refresh rate. Step 5. Update the dock firmware or try a different USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode.